Learn the skills behind people management and make yourself a sought-after professional in the corporate world. Pursue MBA in Strategic HR at Chandigarh University, India's #1 private university. This program, in association with our Consulting, a global leader in human resources solutions, is designed to elevate your expertise in HR through globally recognized certifications. These certifications add immense value to your management degree, giving you a competitive edge. Chandigarh University takes pride in its global collaborations. Partnering with over 486 top universities across the world, you get exposure through exchange programs and international internships. Our industry-sponsored labs provide hands-on exposure to the latest technologies, preparing you for the real-world challenges of HR management. The Center of Excellence in Data Analytics and Digital Transformation is your gateway to consulting services and incubation facilities. After completing this program, you open doors to diverse career pathways. When it comes to placements, we don't just promise, we deliver. Our graduates have secured top-notch positions in leading organizations. Get ready to start your corporate career journey. Enroll now at Chandigarh University.